Hello, and here we are for some more
see that
Final
over there,
Fantasy 15.
What about it?
So what we're going to do is we're going to get
Maybe we should have thought about
main mission
how
done.
so?
Something
We're going to have to drive there
Must be a
unfortunately,
couch.
but shit
Guess we'll
happens.
find out.
It's nearly night, so that doesn't make this any better. But we are level 30, so we can drive at night. Thank Christ. But yeah, as I'm running around messing on, if you like the videos, hit the like button. If you dislike the videos, hit the dislike button. And as always, if you leave a comment, I'll get straight back to you.
check it out.
And if you'd like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button and it would be much appreciated. So now I've done a quick run around, let's actually just get to where we need to be. So we're going to go on auto if my controller doesn't want to turn itself off. And we aren't going to go for pilgrimage, we are going to go to the waterfall.
Folk here are real friendly.
Yeah, everybody greets you. Takes some getting used to.
You draw more attention here than you do at home.
So we're going to go to the waterfall, do the dungeon, mess around from there.
Hey, Nat?
Yeah?
I'm pretty beat. Can we call it a night and
No.
head for the hotel?
No. Keep going. Everyone's just went
No
to
time
sleep.
to stop. We
dickhead.
keep moving.
Seriously? When will it end?
I don't-
I've got to take a nap sometime.
Yeah, as if you never doze off in the car.
Hey, that's different.
I wouldn't mind going faster than this, it is almost nighttime. Thank you. Let's slow down for a conversation between two people who aren't driving. So, the waterfall is good. I am going to be doing this 100%, so the title will be changing to 100%. I'm going to get the side quest done. I've decided I'm going to abandon all the quests like broken down cars and stuff like that until later, because I will be doing a lot of free roam episodes now. Instead of doing 2 episodes, this is going to be an hour episode, and we're going to get as much done as we can. In that, I figured it's easier. Granted, 2 half episodes are good, you can kind of watch half an hour, come back, but with YouTube being the way it is, you can just go on history and watch it from where you left off, which is what I always do, so I figured I'll just start doing that. So that's going to change. Phantom Pain will be coming to us soon too. You probably know that I am doing a lot of older videos, older
Sun's
games,
gone
but this
down.
will be changing very
Now might be a
soon.
good time to consider where we'll set down for the night.
But let's be
No
honest,
objections here.
until God of War, Far Cry 5 actually, Far Cry 5, there's not many decent games coming out, let's be honest. And I don't have a VR, which I will try and get to.
Noct. The roads are perilous at night. We best head back into
No,
town.
it just said you're satisfied. Disagree. You satisfied with our strength?
Peril is our middle name then, eh?
Yes,
Don't
it
say
is.
I didn't warn you.
Keep driving, bitch. We're in a 4x4, and this is how fast we go up hills. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Ignis? Just put your fucking foot down. Oh. It's always fun, these drives. Always fun. But we are getting some main mission done, which I'm happy about. Because we did spend a lot of episodes grinding for that experience. Just to give us that little bit boost so we can just start flying through the game. Because the last time I completed this, I completed it on a level 43 or something like that, and it was evil. Evil shit. And we're almost here. We are almost here. Okay, park up, bitches. Got some shit that we need. Cool.
So how about a breather?
How about you shut up? Do you agree? Yep, he does. Let's go. Oh, shit. I'm pressing Witcher stuff now, so, yeah. Let's avoid pressing the Witcher buttons. I love that chocobo music, and well, no, camp music. Chocobo music, so much better. Yep, follow the road.
You never stop snapping away, do you?
Nope. These shots of you will sell for a pretty gill.
Who's gonna buy them?
There's bound to be some suckers out there. If not, well, I'll still have the memories.
Yep, yeah, you will. Ah. Big giant snake, dude. Forgot all about this fucker.
Time to show you what I can really do!
From 2 link strikes.
If I only had a gill for every time he said that.
No way we're taking that thing on!
Yep,
Turning back.
exactly what we're doing. There's 1 link strike. Holy fuck! We're taking it down. I don't care. I'm gonna have a potion. Stay away from that.
You like that?
Success!
Nice work. Smash it.
Must be some kind of toxin.
My bad.
Regroup.
Don't die on me.
Come on, bitches. Regroup. Are you kidding me? Why is Ignis not regrouping?
Ponto's here!
Ignis!
Yes, thank
Everyone
you, Ignis.
regroup! Right here!
Don't be such a dick.
Certainly didn't expect this much trouble.
It's nice knowing you guys.
This can't be.
Good as new.
Okay. This is where the Omegas. I don't need a Meg. I don't need Phoenix down though. Shit. We will. Phoenix down. Ignis. Get up, you piece of shit, Ignis. We will elixir me. And we will elixir Trump.
Okay!
We are killing this fucker. I don't care.
One false move and we're done for.
That was about it. Gladio.
Do it!
Come on, Gladio. Let's get this done.
Nice work, Gladio.
Yep.
Can someone get Gladio, please?
All right.
My bad.
Ignis.
Everyone form up!
Oh, we got a proper one too, which is good. Are you kidding me? We're getting fucked here, guys. And I really don't want to run.
It's an eat or be eaten world. I say eat. Let's dig in, shall we?
Knew that was coming, but hopefully someone will come to my rescue. Come on, guys. Thank you. Prompto needs to get up. Let's give him an elixir. Considering this fuck is hard. Hang on. I bought a load of weapons and I don't think I've equipped them. Screensaver. It's better. Isn't it? Yeah, screensaver is better. By far. Right. Let's get you, hard edge. Pretty sure. Hard edge still the best. So let's put hard edge on you now. Maybe in a deck, yeah, like power shield was the best. Mega Mashers need to be changed to Assassin's Daggers, which means you can have the Assassin's Daggers too. This. What have I got on? Can't believe I didn't change that stuff. Ice Spear. Should really go to him, but no. Mithril Lance is. We'll go for the Rapier Lance. Calamity is not as good as Mithril. Bioblaster. Circular Saw is the better one. So let's go.
Iggy's looking pretty rough.
I refuse to die. I don't like using these, but Mega Elixir does need to be done right now. We are taking this fucker down. Can we have something to tell us what we need to be going for here? Let's get 3 Gladios in. Let's get that second one.
Gladio, do it!
Ignis is going down.
Nice work, Gladio.
Yep.
Just realised that on a high potion, doesn't really matter. I'm happy either way.
Got all those arms at your disposal. Use them.
Okay, what the fuck is coming?
Knocked. Prompto's in danger.
Yeah, I know.
Good. Wake up, lazy.
Whoops.
Holy fuck. Starting to regret this decision. I'm gonna have to Mega Elixir. This is my last one though. If I die, I die from this point on. Yep, seen that coming a mile off. All one shot. How many potions have I got? 4. Oh well. Tell you what, let's just go for a high potion. Oh, Noctis?
Knocked. Prompto's in danger.
Yeah, I'm gonna... We're all in danger, yeah, let's be honest, guys. Prompto's dead. Ignis, get me up, please. Thank you. Prompto can stay there for now. I'm happy to sacrifice him.
Ignis! We must regroup.
Sure.
Okay, here we go. Regular Phoenix down on Prompto. I think we've got this now. But it's not doing too good. Noctis does need a potion though, so let's give him that.
You get poisoned or something?
Strong poison, I'll give it that. Oh shit.
Hey, Ignis!
This is why regroup's the
Everyone
best.
form up! Right here! Yep.
Can everyone get ready to dodge? Because I do that.
Got it on its last legs.
Just put it out of its misery.
Trying.
No quarter.
we've got this now. As long as Ignis doesn't go down, we're all good.
That's crossing the line. Sorry. Ignis! Everyone regroup.
Okay. You rang?
Watch yourself, Nock.
I know.
Oh shit, and I jumped straight into a new one. No, no, no. You're who we want to be killing. There we go, it's dead. Oh, no one else got any? Oh, fuck's sake. Oh well, shit happens. He got 1,200 though. Why did he dart over here? That's really annoying.
Sounds like someone's in a good mood. Basking in our hard-fought victory.
Try to hit him from behind.
Maybe I'm trying to. Come on, just get me up here. Pablo, you're right next to me. Thank you.
How are we?
Getting on.
Gladium, do it!
There we go, everyone's rolled up, so.
Try this!
Is that fucker gone?
Thought seafood would make you happy, especially something this big.
Showtime!
In size, it would have lost in flavor.
Okay, doesn't
what
matter.
you're hung
That's
up
done
about?
anyway. That took a while
I'd like
killing
to
that
wrap that up
fucking
more quickly.
snake.
That's it!
What's up, Iggy?
I've come up with a new recipe.
I could taste test for you.
Shut up. Just shut up, right? Shut up. No one cares. No one gives a shit if they can taste test, dude. Just deal with it. Come on. There it is, cool. And I got a Mega Phoenix. Can't argue with that ever. And I go, I don't know, fuck you. Looks like it's accessible, but like, fuck is it? Alright, so dungeon time.
The legend says to look behind the waterfall.
What does the waterfall say?
I think it says, come in.
Yes, it does.
Wouldn't
Have
you
you
know
seen
it? An entrance.
Looks like the legend check.
This place gives me goosebumps. Double back for our coats?
What's the point?
Right, so I've got
Looking on
no
the bright side,
guide
maybe the
whatsoever.
cold
We're just
keeps
going
the
through
demons
this.
at bay?
I've
Because
abandoned the
monsters
guide.
like warmth.
I've abandoned
Sarcasm.
my notes. We are just playing.
What if they're frozen?
Encased in ice, waiting for something warm to pass by.
And then they jump out, and there's our warm welcome. It's time. Say your prayers.
Holy shit,
I
fuck
know.
you. Get more damage with this. They're all level 14, so I'm not really worried. There we go. Boom.
No big deal.
They fucked. They're fucked.
None the worse for wear.
Bring on the...
Heading down a slippery slope in slip-sliding shoe.
Down
Whoa!
we go.
Say your prayers. Shiftings loved in pits. Let's get it over with.
Okay, it won't let us do it, so... Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it.
Never. I hit him.
Want some?
Can you just stay still? Thank you. Eventually, Dora wanted him too, so...
And on we go. I really hope we didn't come here for nothing.
Sure, there's something if we look.
There's something everywhere if you look.
Again. Really?
Aww. Thought I had that there. I'm gonna miss loads. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna miss loads on this, so.
What's the best way to hurt these things?
Okay, ignore that.
Let's finish this already!
None the worse for wear.
Okay, so let's get this going. I'm gonna have a look around, see if there's anything to pick up. Nope. I remember this being a little bitch. I'm not gonna go and pick everything up. I know I said 100%, but we're completing the game 100%. Doesn't mean we're picking up everything. Accessories and stuff, I kind of know where they are, so shouldn't miss any. If I do, it'll be like 1% of things, like accessories, weapons.
Let's move. Yeah.
One shot!
Watch where
Oh, I was pressing square, but it's okay. We'll forget that ever happened.
Gladio.
I mean, Gladio, yeah. Gladio, in the right. Place here, do this,
Gotta
yeah.
respect Gladio!
Don't miss.
I don't know, what had a falling strike?
It's history
No,
now.
Damn it. I think I'm going the right way. I think I am. Can't be fully sure though. Oh god. Can we just proceed?
Your tips just got frosted, dude.
Really? How's it look?
You know what? Woohoo! Can't go down there. Can't remember if you can get up though, so let's just do it anyway. See, I love grinding for weapons and stuff and items, so I'm probably going to try and get as much as I can in here. It's all went to shit already. I'm like, I haven't been there.
Back to it.
Right.
So you can't get back up.
Last thing I need now.
Eyes peeled, mouth closed.
Stay down.
Get back!
Hey, not all alone. You gonna go to hell, right?
Nothing personal.
You gone to hell yet?
Looks
Yeah.
sick. I think it's poison.
Just great.
It is, isn't it? Poison's amazing. We've all been weakened too, which is always fun. And here we go, we're back to where I jumped down from. Oh, that wasn't there before. And if it was, I just totally missed it. Bloody hell, we're almost at half an hour already. It feels like I've been playing this for 5 minutes. I could play this game for hours. that'll be put on someone very shortly. Shit like that normally tells me there's something over here, but nope. Nope, not at all. But there's something over here. Ether? I'll take the ether. Don't often use them, but I'll take it. No. Gladio, Gladio, do us a favor. Get the fuck out my way. Thank you. Yep, let's jump before we go through here. You know, as you always do when you're trying to get through things or pick things up, you jump first. You've got to jump for joy before you pick something up. Or find the way forward. It's just Final Fantasy rules.
Shall we?
Oh, we've got one of them. I actually really like fighting these fuckers. The coolest shit. Just look at it. Probably like samurai.
You okay, Specky?
Samurai down.
Real good.
Better than good.
Love the samurai.
Good to go.
The coolest shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go the other way. All pretty much leads to the same place as far as I know, so... And we're back to the beginning. So, let's go back down. I remember this being a bitch of a place though. Beating up all that, beating up all that. And there we go. So now we need to get over here. So that was pretty much all the items.
Watch your
Carbon
step.
bangle.
No
Two.
more slip-ups.
And there we go. We'll grab this. We're in a nice place, so that's an obvious thing. Okay, got full.
Let's do this.
Right.
What? My hand slipped. Here we are.
Thanks, strike.
We're on the same page.
No one is a nice guy. Knocked another one out.
Nothing to it.
So corny, it's actually quite cool. It's like watching Cheers.
How many times?
Enough talk. Time for some action.
I'm with glad we won that one.
Hey, where'd you learn that one, Doc?
Are you kidding me? That was a good friggin' dodge by that little shit. Whoa! Can we get the one that decided to like absolutely do it?
Yep. Get lost. What?
There we go. More items. And a dead end. we want to go over this way now, just to see what else is over this side. Okay, found out what's over this side.
Shall we? Yeah.
Here we are.
Watch out! One shot!
Not good to throw daggers in the dark.
Okay, just spin around in circles now. It's a good way to kill things, I guess. Let's potion them up, actually. Oh, more nervous. I thought you could do that in normal. I'll be doing it in a sec then. Just need a fight. What was that? What the hell was that, dude?
Dreaming of drinking water.
Yeah, my dog just had a dream of drinking water or something. And it's like, nom, 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 nom. Crazy son of a bitch, he is. He is like. But yeah, we'll love him for it.
Well,
Well, this seems
I did not see
hello.
that coming.
Watch out!
Well, I'm pretty sure I pressed circle in time, but no. Okay, potion. He'll be fine, dude. Oh, my bad. There was meant to be an elixir, but I don't care anymore.
That's that.
Oh, we'll get that elixir on then. No, just don't fall off. I did ask him politely, everyone heard, and he didn't listen, so yeah. Dickhead. I said don't fall off, not. What do? You fall off. Alright. Let's go back to where we were. Right, so basically, I'm just going to carry on playing this until we finish this area and then see what the time is and then probably do some other nonsense. I'd happily play this most of the night, to be honest. There's a possibility I even might. I want to get further through this game. Don't fall off again. No! No, you motherfucker!
Yep.
I'm a little bit pissed off now. I am. He just wants to keep jumping off there. He's a dick. Go for the leg strike. So I press it and he dies. The fucking thing dies. Walking around in circles.
Nothing turned up.
Did you double check?
Triple checked.
Then we're done.
Where to next?
Interesting. Can't remember this little area. It's making me curious.
Came to a dead end.
Ancient dragon
Dad,
tooth.
you find anything?
Nothing but ice.
Cool.
I did not see that coming.
I did.
Don't die on me.
Watch out!
Mercy!
That wasn't one shot, just pointing that out. That was a few shots.
Onward. Right.
Yeah.
Cut it out, man!
Knocked, if I may. Don't ask.
Yep, we're lost.
Don't answer.
Don't know where we came from? Don't know where we're going.
I know where we're going. I've got a mini-map in the top right-hand side. Yous might not, but I do. I've got no faith. No faith. And here we go.
So, the glaive is through here?
Most likely. Let's see for ourselves.
Gotta have that fossil wood.
Colon.
What? Pardon? Yeah, pretty much, yeah. That's actually a good call. I never even thought about it like that. It is, it's cool.
Getting by.
Oh, I've got the samurai there, and he's just like, nah, can't be fucked, dude. What's he usually doing? This? Yeah, that's Can we all just slash him? Level 32 against level 17? We should have just kind of one-shot him, but we didn't.
And on we go.
Yep.
No, are you...
Eeny meeny, miny mo.
We're catching cold.
So here we go.
Slightly pissed off, but we'll run round again. See, remember that little section like a little while ago when I said I remember this place being a bitch? There we go. My point has been proven. Stood on a little bit of ice and ended up shitting down here again. This game knows how to piss you off. Knows how to piss you off. This is the only dungeon I actually found annoying though. Oops, my bad. Nearly went the wrong way. Let's try this one more time. Well, we'll be trying it more times, I'm not gonna lie. If it fucks up again. But it didn't. Cool. Can we proceed without jumping? Thank you. I was waiting for it to jump there. And me fall off again. Didn't happen, no thanks, fuck.
Oh, what I wouldn't give for a hot bowl of soup. Soup. We're almost there. You gotta be, right?
I don't know. Don't have a clue, but I'm guessing we are. So that's where we need to be.
Hey. Knock, knock.
Really?
Can it ever be easy?
Never.
Okay.
Where's the fun in that?
Well, we're not fighting it yet. We're coming down here to see what's down this little nook. I think it's one of them doors. Yeah.
What's this?
What's what?
No dice. Won't budge.
For every lock, there exists a key.
Or like a magical key that can unlock any door. Like from the video games.
Or that. You forget about us? Tell us what to do.
Nothing at this moment in time. Let's just kill these buggers.
Gotcha!
Holy shit. Bugger guards? That's not allowed?
Your time has come.
How are we? Getting by.
No, no, that's fuck this one.
What can I say?
Holy shit, more.
Agnes! We must regroup!
That was a mistake. Let me out, you piece of shit. Get up. Let me into the time. Next side.
One shot! Watch out!
Rondo, we'll use you for once.
Nice one, Pronto. Outstanding, Doctor.
Get in there, he's in there first.
Agnes! Of course. It takes two. Gladio!
Go on then, Gladio.
Don't do anything I wouldn't.
Same to you.
Nice work, Gladio.
Nothing personal.
Gotcha!
Not gonna last long.
These guys are no...
Does this mean we can go back outside?
No.
That was a close one.
Too close for comfort.
I'm comfortable just being alive.
Woohoo! I know, cool. Another sword. Looks more like a bow, and I'm pretty sure it is a bow, but yeah. Unless it's one of them double-sided ones. Woo! We're done it. Knock and conjure. Is that a small? Okay. And there we go, guys. That's the shitty waterfall done. The annoying waterfall, actually, I'll call it. Return to the entrance. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Akira, you like putting your head right next to the wheels of my seat, don't you? So I can't move forward. Headache. He's got a headache again.
Knocked! You okay?
What did I... Where was that?
What is it?
A hole in the ground. Something burning. The meteor? You saw the disk of Kothis?
Yes, yes we did.
Let's make our way back to Lestalem.
Yeah, gotta report to Talcott.
Are you gonna let me? Yeah, cool.
No.
We'll read that. Yep, Integrato. Right, okay. Quick and easy way. Return to car. Yes. And then we will fast travel there, and video is done. It's not the full hour, but it is
How about we
40
get out
odd
of the
minutes
rain?
once it gets there. Auto. Need to come back here. Okay, okay. It takes us to the right place. The game ends when Noctis' maximum HP falls to 0. You can then load your most recent save or simply return to title screen. I don't see why that needs to be explained. Generally, when your health goes to the lowest it can and then past, it is generally game over on most games. Just throwing that out there, food for thought, you know? It's a little bit weird. It's a little bit of a weird explanation. Oh, dude, you're wrapped up in my cable. Dude, you're not making this easy for me. Stop fighting.
Damn, this place is hot.
Just take your shirt off.
Like you? No way.
What, too embarrassed to show your scrawny body?
Hey, I got muscle. You just can't see it.
If you say so.
I like that. I like the little bits of wittiness. You know what I'm going for though. Quest. That's all I'm going for. Side quests are probably going to be tomorrow.
Man,
It's
that
a
hurts.
gorgeous game. Though.
Another headache.
Still looking forward to Final Fantasy VII. I mention it every time I'm on, gaming. I had a massive rant about Final Fantasy the other night on stream.
Prince Noctis! Welcome back.
Your story came to a happy end.
Well, well.
Right,
We owe
total
you,
kid.
Talcott.
You're welcome.
Was that it? Oh no, told the old man.
Splendid. You've done well, my boy.
Not unlike you and your father when you were little.
You think so?
Okay. Oh, we need to talk to you then. Yes, it's her. Oh.
Not again.
Tight.
What's the matter? You alright?
He'll be fine, don't worry. But we ought to take a closer look at this so-called disc.
Then look no further than the Outlook. We can use the viewer things.
No substitute for being on site, but it would be a start. Let's see what we can glean of Noct's condition.
Okay, well, we'll quickly go do that. Considering we are trying to aim for that hour mark, and we've got a little while left, 10 minutes. Loot. I'll take the loot. Parkour! Oh no, can't parkour there, but we can here. Parkour! Damn, I was hoping to land on the car. Like a badass motherfucker. Parkour! No.
What a coincidence.
I'm not so sure it is.
Aren't nursery rhymes curious things? Like this one. From the deep, the Archean calls. Yet on deaf ears, the god's tongue falls. The king made to kneel in pain, he crawls.
So, how do we keep him on his feet?
You need only heed the call. Visit the Archean and hear his plea. I can take you.
We in?
I don't know.
We take a ride?
But watch our backs.
Fair enough. Let's do it.
I'm not one to stand on ceremony, but such an occasion calls for an introduction. Please.
Right, save it there, because this is going to be another around about an hour episode doing this. Save your files. I press save. Are you going to let me? There we go. And there we go. Right, so I've already done the spiel at the beginning, so we're not going to do that. But I hope you've enjoyed an hour episode instead of them half an hour ones, because you can get a lot more done. And to be honest, if that wasn't a half an hour episode, we wouldn't have seen the whole thing. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. And this is SKS signing out.